Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. On the XRP chart, we can still see this yellow support area, which is relevant all the way down to 65.9 cents. For everybody who missed out on previous videos, the idea is that XRP is potentially moving here in a 5-wave move to the upside. That would be potentially bullish, but we haven't got the 5 waves yet, so we cannot confirm that. Now, if you think, okay, if we've got 5 waves, well, then it's already over, isn't it? Yeah, but it's all about the bigger picture, isn't it? So what we need the 5 waves, indicated here in red now, to have a first high likelihood perspective that a lasting low, a bear market low, has been made. Until that happens, we cannot really say it. So due to the unfortunate structure that XRP developed of the January lows, we don't have 5 waves yet, because the waves move in 3. Okay, so as you can see here, so it means we have a diagonal structure. Now, if you're not too much into Elliott Wave, don't worry. What I tell you is that based on the Elliott Wave structure, rules and guidelines, this means we have to wait for the 5 waves of the larger degree, and that means we need at least one more higher low and one more higher high. Then we have 5 waves. Now, then we can say, okay, possibly a lasting low has been made here. That means we have our next high likelihood trade setup, good quality trade setup, because what happens after the first 5 waves? We would typically be looking forward to a more or less deep retracement in a wave 2, yeah, in which we could easily get down maybe to 50 cents again or so, but it would be a higher low. It would be ideally a higher low above the January lows, which would be then bullish. If we can hold that support area, which we will then be able to define, but only after the first 5 waves to the upside, then we have a really good trade setup for a 3rd wave rally to the upside. As per Elliott Wave, if we do not get the 5 waves, and we clearly don't have 5 waves, absolutely we don't. I mean, I've seen some people talk about we've got 5. No, we don't. I mean, how? Where? Yeah, it just doesn't. It's not there. And therefore, until we have those 5, it could just top at any point in 3 waves. It's just at the moment not yet a high likelihood structure that with a high likelihood gives us a setup for higher. We can focus on higher because the short-term trend is up, and we also have some lower degree trend reversal and support areas, but they are not the highly likely and typically highly profitable 1-2 setups that we've seen on other charts like Bitcoin and Ethereum. So that just means more uncertainty, especially if a wave structure moves in 3 waves, because that will always leave the door open to a more bearish scenario like this one, A, B, C, where we could head down to new lows, okay? So that's why I'm tracking relevant bullish support areas as long as we are holding them, and as long as we are in an uptrend locally, of course, we focus on higher. It's just all about the bigger picture, that to really confirm that a lasting low has been made here, we need the 5 waves up, and then we look forward to a 3-wave pullback. I could tell you I think we have, but what I think we have doesn't really matter. We always need to go through the same process, yeah, to stay objective. Don't want to say, okay, I think it has been made, but that doesn't help you because the market also doesn't care about what I think, right? We really only, and that's what Elliott Wave teaches us, have a really good high likelihood setup for higher prices, maybe even to new all-time highs. Well, it would then be probably to new all-time highs once we have the 5 waves up. That is the first level of confirmation, and then the second level of confirmation will be the 3-wave pullback. But at the moment, you know, we can still focus on higher as long as we're holding relevant short-term support. And in previous videos, we talked here about the 65.9 cent level. So basically of these 5 waves, we're currently in the 3rd wave. In the 3rd wave, we need one more wave up to really complete it in a clean way. Do we need to get it? No. If we break below 65.9 cents, then I have to assume we're already in the larger degree 4th wave, with support all the way down to 56.5 cents. But below 56.5, I don't have anything clearly bullish anymore. Now let's focus on the more imminent price structure here, this yellow support area. We talked about it in the previous days. So far, that 65.9 cent level, which is the 50% retracement, and with that a relevant bullish support for a wave 4, that is holding at the moment. We tracked the triangle didn't complete. So for the triangle, we needed one more higher low, didn't happen. It broke to the upside. However, the fact that it didn't complete the triangle in a clean way leaves this structure now a little bit unclear, because so far we only have 3 waves up. Due to the structure, 3 waves up, it leaves the door open still for a deeper retracement. Yeah, just want to highlight it. This is certainly how it could look like. Or, I mean, if we had a triangle breakout, it's not impossible, then it was A, B, C, D, and a very short E wave. But the E wave is very short, so I don't trust it. Okay. And if the triangle really broke, then we should normally see a very impulsive surge to the upside. I don't see that, at least not while I record the video. Now, if you see that after that, then yeah, then we have that confirmation that the triangle broke. I just don't trust those 5 triangle waves because the E wave was very short. I'll leave it on the chart nevertheless, but until we really see more impulsive price action, I will not call this move down. I will not call this wave 4 correction complete. So it gives the price currently another chance to come back. That's what I want to say. Yeah, I mean, so far support is holding, and as long as support is holding, we treat it like that. Obviously, the further away we move from 65.9 cents, the less profitable would be the reward to risk ratio. And the lower we go for an entry point in this box, the better the reward to risk ratio. But below 65.9, I think we look at a more extended correction, also time-wise, and we would then morph into this orange, the larger degree wave 4 with support all the way down to 56.5 cents. That's my update about XRP. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.